I'll be showing you the ways to set up automatic investment at Fidelity. So in order to do that procedure, first of all, log in. And once you're logged in, this is going to take you to the home page. So go ahead and tap on Accounts and Trade on the top of your page. After that, you need to go ahead and select Transfer Money and then click on Manage Automatic Transfers. On your scheduled transfer screen, click Set up an automatic investment on the bottom left hand side corner of the screen. So after that, select the account that you want to auto invest with, and then you'll need to fill out the Setup Automatic Investment form. So after selecting the account you'll be auto investing into, you'll have to fill out the remaining information in the Setup Automatic Investment form. So go through the information and then set it out accordingly. Now confirm that your information is correct by going through all of the information that is being provided. Now everything looks good, then click on I agree located right at the bottom, and then you just set up your Fidelity automatic investment. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.